Happy hellos and welcome to my vegan venue, Veganize with Videhi. Today I have a sweet breakfast treat for you, and that is my light and fluffy vegan crumpets, topped with plumpy juicy blueberries, sweet succulent strawberries, beautiful bananas, along with a generous drizzle of syrup. We often find ourselves wondering what to cook for breakfast. Crumpets are super easy to make. All you have to do is whisk all the ingredients together and just pour dollops of batter into a pan. For this recipe you will need all-purpose flour, some baking powder, brown sugar or white sugar, whichever you prefer, a pinch of salt, almond or soy milk, a bit of oil, and our delicious toppings: bananas, blueberries, strawberries, and our syrup. Okay, so let's get cooking. Toss in the baking powder, spoon in 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2, a pinch of salt. Just make a nice little well in the center. And pour in your plant milk. Continue to stir until there are no lumps and the batter is nice and smooth. Set this aside and let this activate for about 5 to 8 minutes. Now turn on the stove to medium heat. We're going to pour in a drop of oil. We're going to wipe this out. Alright, now we're going to scoop in a dollop of batter. Just pour this gently into the center. So this is what we're looking for when the batter starts to bubble. We want to gently toss this over. Perfect! Just scoop those in. So you want to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And this is perfectly done. And we're going to continue to add dollops of batter. Again, we're waiting for these little bubbles to come up. And that is our cue to turn it over. Ooh, perfect. I just love when these crumpets just beautifully fluff up. Okay, this is about done. We can remove it from the pan. Ah, perfect. These are just gorgeous. So I have a snazzy little tip to ensure evenly sized crumpets. I just use this 1/4 cup measuring spoon. And now for a variation, I'm just going to pop on some blueberries. This looks about done. Gently flip. You can just gently move them in. Right, this looks about ready to toss over. Oh, this is beautifully done. Skip the side. And this is how we would serve it. Place some bananas onto the crumpets, as many as you like. Add some blueberries. And we're going to add some strawberries. Make this look all nice and pretty. And our final drizzle of the syrup. How gorgeous does this look? I don't mean to blow my own trumpet, but this does look beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to make every day a V-Day. Please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of my new videos. Please do follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The links are below. Thank you.